Whoa! We're so high up! The wind feels so good! Magic Mimi! Yay! Phew! I'm tired. You're so energetic. What's with all the commotion? How rude! I was soaring gracefully like a bird. One day, I'll be the world's first flying hamster. Actually, flying in the sky does sound pretty nice. All right, everyone. This time, we're going to make a craft that makes you feel like you're flying in the sky. Can we really do that? I'm sure we can. Sounds like it's time to call... Captain Gotcha!
Crank, 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 crank. Crank, 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 crank.
Oh! Paper cups? And what's this? They're sponges! This won't help us fly. Oh well. Today's a cleaning video. Ready? It's Super Sponge Scrub Time! Wait! Mimi! These sponges are bouncy! This might actually work! What? How's that? All right, everyone. Let's get started. Mimi's Magic Craft!
You'll need 2 each of paper cups and sponges. Mark halfway up the red paper cup. Then flatten out the cup and use scissors to poke a hole where you made your mark. Make another hole on the opposite side too. For the purple cup, mark near the base. And cut holes on both sides. Next, we'll use tape to attach the sponges to the purple cup. Stack on the red cup and turn it all upside down. Press down gently with your hand until the holes in both the red and purple cups line up. Then carefully thread a sheet of paper through. Excellent! You're a natural! Behold! With wing flapping action like that, it's time to fly the nest. Now for the finishing touches. Add feathers, eyes, and a beak. And it looks like we're all prepped for liftoff.
Whee! It's so fun watching it move. Hey, Bibi, don't you think this bird could be even more our style? Huh? More our style? Hey, Captain Gotcha! Give us something to make this bird super cute, please.
I gotcha! Crank, 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 crank.
Yay! So sparkly! When it comes to us, it's gotta be glitter and sparkle.
Time to decorate. Don't hold back. Sky's the limit. Show me some fancy feathers. Some wonderful wings. Ta-da! It's done.
Look at this gorgeous necklace. It's a celebrity bird. It's almost as cute as me. By mixing and matching paper cups and glitter, you can make all kinds of cute designs. So you all should give it a try. Now we're flying high in the sky. Let's go! Let's fly! Whoa! We're so high up! The wind feels so good! Hey, Vivi! Where are you going? To the top of that mountain. Let's see who can get there first. It's a race! All right, I'm not losing! You all should try making your own and have fun flying too! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up too! Bye!